All right, 386. Let's driver. We'll just grip it and rip it. Is this hole 12? 11. Hold the wheels on. That was a pull. Yeah. Nasty little pull straight into that tree. Right when I begged the wheels to stay on. It's a bad idea.
210 yards out, I'd say, from here.
All right. Nice easy 205 shot here. A little off the toe, should be all right. Run, baby, run. Yeah, a little toey. 15 yards should be in my wheelhouse. That's a bit firm, I might get lucky. Wow, stop. Yep, that wasn't good at all.
10-footer here. I think this can go.
Gonna have to have the putter save me again. Oh, it's dead flat. It should. I should be able to make this putt. I hit it short. Go, baby, go.
Ooh, we're going right in the hole here.
Go, 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 go. Ouch. All right, 58 degree right at it. This should be a scoring hole. Terrible. Terrible. Nuzzle up there close. I'll take it.
And after that hole, you'll bring your score down to 200.
All right, hole 13. Right up the middle. I like it.
Nice swing.
Light rough. 84 yards. I should have this shot. Better than the last scoring range. That could be short. Be the club today.
Swing.
Be good. Get up. Little short. All right. I would give myself about a 60-70% chance of making a reasonably straight putt. I did go a hair to the right. Ooh, I like everything about that.
Ooh, trying to work the hole here. After that one, you brought your score down to 300.
My tee for my 3-wood. sit tight. Sit tight. Okay. Well, let's at least go towards this fairway. Ooh. Let's give it a 5-iron. In real life, you could get a flyer out of here. We like it. Yeah, perfect. There should be every time 6 feet, 100 yards. Eye on the face. Short. Go ball. Damn it. Should have this shot. I'm not even gonna adjust, I'm just gonna hit it out a little right. Felt perfect. Bite. A little firm. I think that's gotta go. Perfect line. Get in. Get in!
And in the hole.
All right, par 4, short par 4. I'm just gonna hit a 5-wood. Stay in. Ah. Kick left. Big left. There we go. Got to get a little luck every now and then. If I hit it good, we'll be all right. My 7 is like 170, so I don't think I have that little of a shot. This should be perfect. Just hit it nice and smooth. That comes around left, we're good. No, don't go right. Get up. All right, 23 yards. You can see up there it's going left. That felt good. Bite. Stop. A little firm, huh? My putter's got to save the day again. I think I like it. Bam. All right. 309, but downhill, 32 feet. Should be able to get it there with a nice easy swing. Gonna aim for that tall palm tree on the right. Felt good. Felt good. Get down. Or get up. Go, baby, go. Go. 20 yards. That felt perfect. Give me birdie range.
Bringing things down to 4 under after that one.
All right, signature hole here. This is the 19th in real life. I'm gonna hit a 50-degree, and I'm going to have to hit it perfect. Been hitting them a little high on the face tonight, so hopefully I strike this one well.
I think this one's destined for the bunker.
Not good. All right. Just a little guy here. Want to go out right. I'm in the sand. That felt good, but low trajectory. Don't want it to go too far. Get close. We'll take it. Easy par.
Sitting at 4 under for the round.
All right. Last hole, grip it and rip it, par 5. Baby draw. Baby draw. Not a pull. Go, 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 go. Oh. That's not good. All right, 180. Go ball.
Could be in the rough here.
Go. Good enough. 26 yards out of the deep rough. I gotta remember the deep rough. That felt like perfect. All right, it's going downhill a lot. Just close for par. Lock in my best round ever at -4. I'd be happy. Speed was good. Read was okay. I pulled it a tiny bit. Get in.
Get in there.
Stop. Don't be 6 feet. Oh, you dirty dog. Oh, they gave me the last
That's all
part.
said and done. Good job out there.
68,
Alrighty,
4
thanks
under.
very much for the